In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent backgrounds in Affinity Photo Save Layers. By the end, you'll know how to remove a background, keep your subject on its own transparent layer, and export the file so that transparency is preserved wherever you use it. Start by telling Affinity Photo that your document should support transparency. Go to the Document menu and choose Transparent Background. When this is enabled, the canvas shows a checkerboard pattern wherever there are no pixels, which is Affinity's way of indicating true transparency. If you're creating a brand new file, you can also check Transparent Background in the New Document dialog so you're set from the start. If you skip this, you might remove a background and still end up with a white rectangle at export, so this step matters. Next, remove the background around your subject. A quick method is to select the Selection Brush tool or the Flood Select tool. Paint or click on the background to select it and press Delete. You should immediately see the checkerboard where the background used to be. For cleaner results, zoom in and adjust the brush size as you work, adding to or subtracting from the selection to protect important edges like hair or fine details. For a more flexible, non-destructive workflow, use a mask instead of deleting pixels. Make a selection of the subject or the background, then click the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. The background is hidden, not erased, so you can refine it later. If something is missing or still showing, paint on the mask with a soft brush. Black conceals, white reveals, and gray partially shows areas. You can also refine edges after masking to reduce halos and smooth transitions. Check that your layers are truly transparent. You should see the checkerboard behind your subject. If you don't, go back to Document and enable Transparent Background. Also make sure there isn't a white fill layer sitting underneath your subject. Toggling layer visibility can help confirm what's actually transparent. When you're ready to export, go to File and choose Export. Pick PNG to keep transparency. PNG supports an alpha channel, while JPEG does not. You can also use formats like TIFF or PSD if you need layered or high-bit workflows, but PNG is the most universal for transparent graphics. Choose your export settings, confirm the preview shows the checkerboard where expected, then click Export and Save. Your file now preserves transparency, so you can place your subject cleanly over any background in websites, documents, or other design apps.